السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today, I will start a new chapter, and it will be about data storage in Android application, of course. So, I will show you how to store data with a simple way using sharp reference, and also using database with SQLite database. So, the roadmap is the first one: how to create an activity. Yes, we will say it's first time. After this, how to store data permanently. I added some topic. I think it's important to know them. For example, how to make an action bar, how to use another dialog. And before I go show it, of course, I will show you how to use SQLite database, update, create, retrieve information. And again, I will enter in advanced feature of SQLite. So let's start with how to create a new activity. Until this moment, all the videos that I have showed you before doesn't contain more than one activity. And you will tell me, Faisal, sorry. Existing application Play Store with only one activity? Maybe at this moment I don't see. But at least there are two activities. I mean two screens. Okay? So it's very important to understand how to create new activity, how to go to this new activity, how to jump to this new activity, how to navigate between them. Also, how to pass parameter between activities. Okay? So let's start for creating activity. I create simple project. And now to create new activity, just go to the folder Java. Here in your package, make a right click and choose new. After this, go down and choose activities. Here, as you can see, you have a lot of type of activity. To don't make confusion with all type of activity, just click to the gallery and you will get a window. Same thing as you're familiar with when you create first time your project. The same thing, we create an empty activity. Okay, we start always with this basic simple thing. We don't use complex thing. It is not important. It's for an advanced feature. If you want to enter in detail, you can do it by googling. So, but it's very important to understand the concept. I will create an empty activity. I will call him, for example, second activity. Okay. After this, go to the resource folder and you will see in the layout directory folder also, you have the new layout associated to the activity. Remember, for each activity you have the layout. Okay, so here is the layout. Automatically was created. And now I will just add the button to the first activity that allow me to jump to the new activity. Okay, so take button, go, and the action is go to activity. What is it? Go. What's the problem? Go to activity. Okay. Top. I will create a method here. Public void view enter. Import view. Here I have used a shortcut to import my class. I don't know if I have talked before how to import class using shortcut. If it is not the case, just use Alt button of your keyboard, of course, plus Enter. I will use it, I think, when I begin to code also. Okay. You must be familiar with this shortcut. It's very easy to make the right click or nothing. It's very directly. Just go to the keyword, to the class, and make Alt plus Enter. So now, to jump to the new activity, I will use a new class that is called intent. Intent. So we create a new intent, and as you can see here, I have two parameters. I have the context of application and also the class. Which class? The class associated to the new activity. I mean, the activity that I want to jump. So here, get application context, and new activity class of new activity is this one. So this one dot class. Okay, cool. I have created the intent. Now I will call the method that allows me to go to the new activity that is called start activity, and I will give him the intent parameter. Oh, sorry. Oh, cool. Before to run application, I will add a text here to see really that we have jumped to the new activity. So text. Okay. And now I can add the log if you want. I can add the log file to see really we are in new activity. Log.i info. I am in new activity. I have added it just to see really in the screen and in the log. Okay? Your mind be peaceful with this. So let's run an application now. I'm thirsty. I run it or no? Log. Let's see. Okay, go. Cool. Do you see? There is a new activity, and also here I will just put info. Where is it? Here is it. Okay, here is it. Cool. Now I will give you a simple challenge, is to create a button in the second activity to come back to the first activity or the previous activity. It's the same thing. You can do it very quick. Okay? I let you do it. And now I will show you how to pass parameter between the activity. It's also very important to know it. It's easy, we see, but it is not a big way to share big information. Okay? If you want to share information, we use SQLite database or Firebase or another thing. But here we just pass simple data. For example, I want to pass username. If for example, there is a user that is logged in your application, and you want to share his username between all the screen or the activity, you just use this method. So to do this, I will use a method that is called putExtra in intent class. Here is putExtra. They contain two parameters. The first one is the key of your data. It's the same thing as a map. It's the same thing. Remember, I have talked about map in Java. I will give him the key of my value and the value that I want to pass. So the first one is always a string, and the second one is depend of your type of data. Username, number. There are a lot of, as you can see here. Okay, there are a lot of. So for me, I will pass the string. So I will use this one, string, user name, Faisal. Okay. And to retrieve this information from the second activity, I will just make here intent. Yeah, I will import this one. Alt enter, remember. Get intent here. Okay. After this, I will just log the information. So, username is, here I will call intent, aha, get, it is not get extra, but it is the type of method get type extra. Okay, get type of your data extra. For me, is string that I will choose string extra. I have, as you can see, also get, where is them? Where is them? Sorry, get, where is other one? Boolean array extra, Boolean extra, bundle extra, as you can see. Okay, there are another type of method in generic is get type extra. So for me, it's string, and the K is username. Okay, before to start to run the application, we come back to the first activity. Here I have put this instruction before to start the activity. It's very, very important. If you make this instruction here, this one, after to start activity, you don't pass nothing. Okay, we don't find your data in your activity. So make sure to have put it before to start activity. Okay, so I run the application. And see. Okay, and now if I search in my log file username, as you can see here, okay, it's easy. Follow the tutorial step by step. You can do it also. It's very quick. Okay, I think it's clear. If you have some question, you can put it in the comment here of the video. Don't remember, the first thing is the Google. The first thing, if you don't find nothing, comment. You can put also your question in Stack Overflow. It's very important. So now I have finished the topic how to create new activity, how to jump from between activities, and how to pass parameter between activities. In next video, inshallah, I will show you the first way how to store the data permanently. Okay? Thank you, brothers and sisters, to have seen this video until this moment, or the course at this moment. If you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and like this video also. Don't hesitate to share it in different social media. It's very important. It's free course. So see you in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.